Conversation about pollution. Conversation about pollution. សន្ទនាអំពីការបំពុល How many kinds of pollution are there? How many kinds of pollution are there? តើការបំពុលមានប៉ុន្មានប្រភេទ There are many types of pollution: land, water, noise, air, light, small pollution. There are many types of pollution: land, water, noise, air, light, small pollution. ការបំពុលមានច្រើនប្រភេទ ដី ទឹក សំឡេងរំខាន ខ្យល់ ពន្លឺ ការបំពុលកម្ដៅ What type of pollution is popular in your country? What type of pollution is popular in your country? តើការបំពុលប្រភេទណាដែលពេញនិយមនៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នក The most popular one is water pollution, I guess. The most popular one is water pollution, I guess. ខ្ញុំគិតថាការពេញនិយមបំផុតគឺការបំពុលទឹក Have you ever littered? Have you ever littered? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់ចោលសំរាមទេ Yes, I have. But when I was taught the lesson of protecting Mother Nature, I quit littering. Yes, I have. But when I was taught the lesson of protecting Mother Nature, I quit littering. បាទខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ ប៉ុន្តែពេលខ្ញុំត្រូវបានគេបង្រៀនមេរៀននៃការការពារធម្មជាតិខ្ញុំឈប់ចោលសំរាម What can you do to help prevent pollution? What can you do to help prevent pollution? តើអ្នកអាចធ្វើអ្វីបានដើម្បីជួយទប់ស្កាត់ការបំពុល Reduce and reuse whatever I can to eliminate the amount of waste is what I can do to prevent pollution. Reduce and reuse whatever I can to eliminate the amount of waste is what I can do to prevent pollution. កាត់បន្ថយនិងប្រើប្រាស់ឡើងវិញនៅអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំអាចធ្វើបានដើម្បីលុបបំបាត់បរិមាណកាកសំណល់គឺជាអ្វីដែលខ្ញុំអាចធ្វើបានដើម្បីការពារការបំពុល What does the government do to encourage people to protect the environment? What does the government do to encourage people to protect the environment? តើរដ្ឋាភិបាលធ្វើអ្វីខ្លះដើម្បីលើកទឹកចិត្តប្រជាពលរដ្ឋឲ្យការពារបរិស្ថាន They organize some campaigns to raise the awareness of people. Everything should start from education. They organize some campaigns to raise the awareness of people. Everything should start from education. ពួកគេរៀបចំយុទ្ធនាការមួយចំនួនដើម្បីលើកកម្ពស់ការយល់ដឹងរបស់ប្រជាជនអ្វីគ្រប់យ៉ាងគួរតែចាប់ផ្ដើមពីការអប់រំ Are people in your country aware of the environmental issue? Are people in your country aware of the environmental issue? តើប្រជាជននៅក្នុងប្រទេសរបស់អ្នកដឹងពីបញ្ហាបរិស្ថានដែរឬទេ Yes, they are. They care about what happens to the environment around them. Yes, they are. They care about what happens to the environment around them. បាទពួកគេដឹងពួកគេខ្វល់ខ្វាយអំពីអ្វីដែលកើតឡើងចំពោះបរិស្ថានជុំវិញពួកគេ Is there any law to force people to protect the environment? Is there any law to force people to protect the environment? តើមានច្បាប់ណាដែលបង្ខំមនុស្សឲ្យការពារបរិស្ថានទេ Yes, the environment law states punishments to people doing harm to the environment. Yes, the environment law states punishments to people doing harm to the environment. បាទច្បាប់បរិស្ថានចែងពីការផាកពិន័យចំពោះមនុស្សដែលធ្វើឲ្យប៉ះពាល់ដល់បរិស្ថាន Vocabulary phrases clauses. Number 1. There are many types of pollution. ការបំពុលមានច្រើនប្រភេទ Number 2. Water pollution. ការបំពុលទឹក Number 3. I quit littering. ខ្ញុំឈប់ចោលសំរាម Number 4. Help prevent pollution. ជួយទប់ស្កាត់ការបំពុល Number 5. To eliminate the amount of waste. ដើម្បីលុបបំបាត់បរិមាណកាកសំណល់ Number 6. To encourage people to protect the environment. ដើម្បីលើកទឹកចិត្តប្រជាពលរដ្ឋឲ្យការពារបរិស្ថាន Number 7. Environment around us. បរិស្ថានជុំវិញពួកយើង Number 8. Punishment. ការផាកពិន័យ Thank you.